If you're a video game player, you should start streaming right now. This is so easy. Create a gaming video creator page, install software encoder like OBS, Streamlabs, XSplit or Stream Elements, and go live while following community guidelines. Before beginning the video, here is a secret tip. Recently, I found that there are some girls in the Facebook top streamers list. So, here's the chance for you girls. Use your tricks. There are 8 ways you can earn money using this program. First one, Facebook stars. To use stars, viewers must purchase stars from Facebook and donate to you. Stars can be cashed out for the equivalents as follows, starting from 1 cent US dollar per star. Second one is fan subscription. Subscriptions cost $4.99 per month. In exchange of subscription, they will receive supporter badge, custom stickers, supporter group, and exclusive content. Third one is live ads. You can monetize video content. Fourth one is donations. You can set up donation systems to a third-party program like Streamlabs or Patreon. Fifth one is custom merch. You can advertise your merch on here as well. Stream element merch and designed by humans are 2 places you can source your own brand merch. Sixth one is affiliate marketing. Write affiliate links in the description. If your supporters decide they want to make a purchase, they may buy the items through your link, giving you a commission. Sponsorship opportunities. Once you have a solid number of followers, look into finding streaming sponsors. Actually not, they'll come to you. And the last one is services offered to the other streamers. Many streamers earn a side income by helping other content creators to grow their community. And now let's talk about eligibility for this program. You should have a gaming video creator page, stream gaming content for the last 2 days in the prior 14 days. At least 100 followers on the page. Page need to be active for the last 14 days. Admin of the page must be 18 or older. And that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Finally, stay awesome guys.